Hello everyone, Hemant Sir is here. On the behalf of Chitrans Academy, I am here to say a few words about the World Heart Day and we'll discuss about the many important things by which you can keep your heart healthy. Today, the 19th September 2021, we are celebrating the World Heart Day and it is being celebrated all over the world same date every year. Okay, so the World Heart Day is a part of international campaign to spread the awareness about the heart disease and stroke prevention. It is very important. Today, the 29th September, is a very perfect day to quit smoking, get exercising, and start eating healthy food in your daily diet so that you can keep your heart healthy and improving the health and well-being of the people all over the world. Now we have to discuss some important point related to the World Heart Day. Okay, so let's learn about what is World Heart Day and why it is being celebrated all over the world. The World Heart Day, it is started by the World Heart Federation and it has found the heart disease and stroke are the world leading causes of the death. About 17.1 million of the people are dying every year and which is the more death than the cancer, HIV, AIDS, malaria together. That's why the heart disease has become a very important concern to think about it. What are the major causes of the heart disease? That's why the heart disease has become a very important concern to think about it. What are the major causes of the heart disease? There are important heart disease causes are the overeating, lack of exercise, unhealthy diet, high blood pressure, cholesterol deposition in the body, glucose level are increasing in your blood that can trigger the heart disease and threaten to our life and those of the loved one. This is a really very important day in order to make you aware about the heart disease. On the occasion of World Heart Day, everyone must aware about the report of the obesity, poor diet and physical inactivity in children as well as among other peoples, which is becoming more and more common nowadays. That's why people are suffering from the heart day by day. It is increasing. On the day, many events takes place in order to promote and create awareness all over the world, like charity, other organizations, they may be government and non-government organizations, they are taking active participation in order to increase the awareness all over the world by performing various campaign, walk and runs, healthy checkup, time to time checkup of the heart, public talk, shows and exhibitions, and marathon. These are the important campaign which are take place with the all over the world in order to create awareness about the World Heart Day by which you can get aware about how to keep your heart healthy. So on Heart Day, get involved, eat fruit and vegetables and get outside. Both you and your heart will feel benefit. Definitely. World Heart Day is celebrated every year. It was created by the World Heart Federation and it is started in 2000. Since then, in 2012, the leaders of the World Heart Federation from all over the world, they have decided to reduce 20% of the deaths by the heart disease up to 2025. And the time is coming very close to us. That's why we are here to create awareness about how to keep your heart healthy. I'm repeating the same word again and again because we have changed our diet. We are eating whatever comes in front of us, but it is not a good habit. We had to change our lifestyle, our eating habit. We have to exercise more in order to keep our heart healthy. Okay, it is really not a communicable disease so that it can spread from one person to other. No, it is not like that. Okay, do you know almost half of the non-communicable disease happens because of the cardiovascular disease. This makes it the biggest killer all across the world. That's why more than 17 millions of the people, they are dying every year by the heart disease, heart stroke. We called it the heart attack. Therefore, World Heart Day is the perfect platform to create the awareness all over the world. Okay, so we have to battle against the cardiovascular disease, is nothing but the heart disease, and we can lower worldwide disease burden. So we can reduce the death rate from the heart disease. Now we have to discuss how to observe World Heart Day. As World Heart Day is all about the drawing people attention toward the heart disease and illness, as well as the range of the heart issues and that are associated with this. It makes sense to raise awareness and also improve the own understanding toward the heart disease. We would recommend taking some time to do a bit of research on it, like how to keep our heart healthy and how can we reduce the risk factor related to the heart disease. You can then use your online platform to understand how heart is being healthy and how to create our daily diet, how to decide how which exercise is good for heart and all. This is really very important and we had to make it is the habit of our life. We would recommend taking some time to do a bit research about the heart condition and risk factor. You can then use your online platform and your social group in order to raise awareness about the heart disease. There are both non-governmental and governmental organizations that take part actively in the date all around the world in order to create awareness about the World Heart Day and how to keep our heart healthy. They do this through the organization of the science fair, exhibitions, fitness session, public talk, walk and marathons also. Some famous buildings, monuments and landmarks opt to go red on this particular day in order to support for the cardiovascular disease awareness. If you are opting to celebrate the day called World Heart Day, it is important to try at more and more attentive in order to create awareness around you. You can make other aware about the public talk also. If you are opting to celebrate this day, it is important to try and be more attentive to your own heart health. There are a number of different ways by which you can do this. This includes following a healthy diet, quitting alcohol and smoking, and getting involved in the physical exercise. It is also important to have your cholesterol control, blood pressure and heart check on a regular basis. It is good idea to take a look online to see there are many events that are going on all over the world in your local area also. If you are not aware about it, like how to organize the event yourself, all you need to have an idea that is going on around you. just go there and join their community and involve actively and take participate in it in order to get aware about how to keep your heart healthy. This could be anything from fun run to community fair. It is up to you that you don't need do an event on such a big scale. You can create awareness on your own house also. Just start from the zero, like get aware yourself, like how you can keep your health ready, like how you can keep your heart healthy. That will be initiation towards the movement which is taken all over the world on the World Heart. On today's occasion, I'm going to end my word here only. So I'm just giving you the last message. Just keep your heart healthy. Just do apply the things. On the occasion of World Heart Day, I'm just reminding one more time that don't overeat, do exercise on regular basis, eat healthy diet, just do regularly check up your blood pressure, cholesterol and glucose level of your blood, by which you can keep your heart healthy. So I'm ending my words here. Thank you for listening. Thank you.